Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. Today I want to talk to you about something very important. Um, I'm sure you're well aware life is short, but sometimes we get caught up in the rat race and day-to-day activities, and we just get caught up in a rut, a cycle. And we have to sit back sometimes and think to ourselves. One specific phrase comes to mind for me when I get caught up in that sort of rut, and that is, we go in the direction we face. What does that mean? That means you might be in college, okay? You might be taking courses that you might not enjoy. You might feel like you're in the wrong major. You're taking the wrong classes simply because you don't enjoy them. You might be working the wrong job, a job that you hate, a job you don't enjoy waking up in the morning and rush into work because you love your job. You might be a business owner. You might be running the wrong type of business. You might have one day started something and now a few years, 10 years, 5 years, 20 years down the road, you realize that you don't like what you're doing. Humans, us as humans, we are creatures of habit. But at the same time, we're not like a tree. We don't have to stay where we were planted, okay? We're not like a goose who has to strictly abide. They don't have the thought process to change where they're going. Every winter, they fly south where it's warmer to stay warm. Us as humans, we can move wherever. We can do whatever, okay? Your past 5 years does not have to be like your future 5 years. You have the power to change. You have the power to do whatever it is that you want to do. And I just want to give you guys this message because I've been through hard times. I'm sure you've been through hard times. Everybody has been through hard times at some time or some point or another in their lifetime. And it's so easy to get depressed and get caught up in things, stuff that you don't like, things that you don't like to do, enjoy. And you get caught up doing things simply because you feel like you have to. You might have a job at McDonald's or Walmart or something like that you just absolutely hate doing. You're not in prison. If you're watching this video, you're probably not in prison. You have choices. You don't have to work that job. That is not the end all be all for you. There is hope. You can do whatever it is you put your mind to, okay? Remember that. You are smart, and you are only restrained by the power within you. You can do anything you set your mind to, you can do it. Okay, you just have to have the willpower and the drive to do it. And do not give up. Success is there for the taking for anybody and everybody. I heard a quote that came to mind. I was brought up thinking that rich people were bad, rich people were evil. And some way or another, rich people are greedy. I saw a quote the other day, actually on Instagram, and it was of a very popular, one of the richest people in the world, said that my company generated nearly $1 trillion last year. And he was being scrutinized or criticized for how much money he was worth, multi-billionaire. And they said, well, you made, I'll just make up a figure, you made $30 billion last year. Do you not feel bad for all the poor people out on the streets begging for jobs, begging for food, looking for a place to live? And he said, I made $30 billion last year and my company generated $1 trillion. So what does that mean? He pretty much gave away or donated $970 billion in sense of giving those people jobs, putting food on other people's tables. Rich people are not greedy, guys. We should all strive to be rich. It's really the poor man that's the greedy person. And a lot of you guys might disagree with me. I used to disagree with the statement myself until I really thought about it. The poor man is really the greedy man because he doesn't have anything to give anybody. Rich people they have the power to give and make people better. And I think a lot of times rich people are misconstrued and misunderstood in modern day society, and it's really sad to see that. But it's the truth, and it is the world that we live in. But moral of the story, guys, is you can be whoever you want to be. You just have to go out there and get it. For those of you who do not know who I am, I'm Austin Mayfield. I founded several businesses over the years. Started a landscape business in high school, landscape and commercial pressure washing. I've since sold that business, or the majority of it. I started NoLimitProducts.com, which a lot of you may have heard of that, back in 2015. We're a multi-vendor marketplace. People pay us a small monthly fee to sell products online, much like Amazon, but kind of mixed with the Shopify flair, I guess you could say. You can have your own theme, your own URL. You can check us out in the description below. We have a 50% residual commission affiliate program, 100% free to join. Free training is provided. And if you're interested in making money online or making more money online, if you already are making an income online, created a course last year called Crush It Online. Everybody loves it. Teach you everything you need to know about how to get started making money online, or how to make more money online. So I've got a lot of free opportunities in the description below. Check it out. If you're new to the channel, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know of any questions or comments in the comment section below, positive or negative. Austin Mayfield. Have a great day. Thanks.